Do you want to make some of that PayPal money? I'm not talking in a month. I'm not talking in a week, but today. In this exciting video today, I'm going to show you how you could easily earn PayPal money. In fact, you're going to want to pay close attention to this entire video because you are guaranteed to learn today. You're going to find out about some little-known websites that pay you on the same day, the best ways to earn the fastest money in less than 15 minutes per day. You're going to learn step-by-step how to get started from anywhere in the world. And you're going to use easy ways to earn cash by doing literally nothing. And the best part about this money-making method is that you do not need any special skills or experience. You don't need a lot of time. You don't need any money. You don't need to sell anything. You literally just point and click. And this is available to anyone worldwide, no matter where you are. In fact, I want you to watch somewhere close to the end of this video because I'm going to share an easy, obvious, but not too obvious method to triple your payout with no extra work. Imagine using these sites to earn extra money that comes directly to your bank account daily. If this sounds good, then this may be perfect for you. But before that, if you like videos about making money online, getting results, living your best lifestyle, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to join the Life on Your Terms Club. Also, if you want to learn more about the best online opportunity that's perfect for you, head on over and take my quiz that's in the link below this video. Now let's get into the video. Hey, Trevor here from trevormchaffie.com, and let's get right down to it. I'm going to share with you 3 sites that will pay you PayPal money every single day. So stick with me through this video because I'm going to show you why you should care about this, what these sites do, and the best ways to maximize your earnings from these sites. So let's get started. All right, so the first site that we have is QME.com, QMEE.com. They're going to pay you for your opinion, shopping, searching, doing all kinds of different various activities. So a lot of these things you're already doing, so why not get paid for it? So as you can see here, it says earn cash, not swagger points. So they actually pay you cash to your PayPal account. Now, as we kind of scroll through the site here, it says they're going to do paid surveys, so you can do them from your laptop. Even on your mobile phone, you can do these surveys. Get paid while you shop. So as you use coupons and find deals, you can earn points or cash through them. It says there's no minimum cash out in the amount that you get earnings at any time, which is great. So one of my favorite things is earning while you search. It says earn cash when you search on your favorite sites with the free QME browser app. So just go and search what you would normally search, click on some of the links, and just collect the rewards. And then when it's time and you got the money, just cash it out. But you're already searching, you're already doing it, so you might as well get paid for it. So why should you care about QME? Well, if we go over to the app stores, you can see that they have great reviews. So this on the Apple Store review is a 4.5 star, 295 rating. You can see down here that they've got mostly 5 stars, great reviews here. Pop over to the Google Play Store, same thing. A little over 5 or 4 stars. 25,000 people are using this app. And if you go over to Trustpilot, same thing, 4.6 stars, 899 reviews. It's an excellent rating. So why use QME? QME offers real cash rewards, but you can get gift cards if you choose to, but everybody has to have a PayPal account. The best part here is there's no minimum cash out. You can cash out at any time. You earn with surveys, shopping, like we said, on the go. So if you're stuck in traffic or something, or on the bus commuting, feel free to do some surveys and do some tasks and make some money while you're, just sitting around. All right, so how much will I earn? This is the big burning question. There's no limit to how much you can earn with QME. They offer cash rewards for engaging with brands, as well as sharing your opinion by answering questions in the survey. So how long does it take QME to pay you? It says right here, usually money will appear in your PayPal account within a few minutes of you asking for it. So there's no better way to get your PayPal money fast and quickly than using QME. So site number 2 is Padera.com. So Paidera.com. So as you can see here, this is very similar to QME, but you get paid for doing multiple tasks without having to leave your home. Instant payment requests, both mobile and desktop users are both accepted, which is awesome. So one of the great things here, there are unlimited tasks. You can do as many tasks as you want. There's no limit any day. So you can do them 24 hours a day if you really wanted to. Another great way to make money with this site is by inviting friends and other people. So they're going to give you a code. You can share that code with friends or family, social media, however you want to reach out to people that you think this would be a great fit for. And once they join, you can get money as they get paid too. The part about this site is that it's instant payments. So once you reach the minimum payment threshold, which you set, you just request your payments anytime 24/7. So why should you care about Padera? Well, a couple reasons. Just like QMe, they have great reviews. So if you look at trustpilot.com for Padera, you're going to see that there's 2,000 reviews. Excellent rating, 4.7 star rating out of 5, which is amazing. So they got 85% is excellent, 12% is great. So you know that they're paying, you know the sites are good. Now another great thing that you should care about is that it's a worldwide opportunity. So no matter where you live, whether you're on vacation, halfway across the world, doesn't matter, you can do this and get paid from Padera. So just having a look at their FAQ page, how much can I earn? There is no limit on how much you can make on this platform. You can do as much as you want. How much time can I work? You can work as much as you want. Is my country accepted? All countries are accepted. So this is awesome. What is the minimum threshold? You can choose your preferred threshold inside your settings section once you sign up. Now, Padera only supports PayPal right now. The one downside to this is that it can take up to 15 days to process the payment after you requested it. But as you can see by the reviews, you are guaranteed to get paid. All right, now, the last site I have for you is Rewardingways.com. So this is online surveys. You're going to earn cash and gift cards. Now, all you do is do online paid surveys. You're going to make some money, and you can get paid as soon as today. So you can see here, there's a few different ways that they pay. They have basically online surveys. You can make money online, and you can work from home and get paid today, which is amazing. So as you can see here, you're going to earn cash, you can earn points, and you're going to earn gift cards. And you choose the way that you want to get paid. Which brings me to the reason why you should care about this. Well, again, going to trustpilot.com, you're going to see rewardingways.com here. They have 543 reviews, an excellent review rating, and it's 4.7 stars out of 5. So you can see here, they're excellent, and great. You know, this website is awesome. Getting stuck at home for COVID-19, and I use this website to get a little extra money. So you can see lots of great reviews here, and you know they're getting paid, which is awesome. And if we go over here to the Rewarding Ways, this is a list that they have on all their paid payouts, right? So you can see they've paid out over $1.5 million. And you can see how all these users right here are submitting and collecting how much money they're collecting and how they're getting it paid to them, which is just amazing. All right, so here's how it works. So you've got paid surveys, which you can complete. And then there's one here to click and quick tasks. So they have a variety of different paid to click offers and tasks that you can do. Get paid to watch videos. And there's some paid trials here, which I find a little bit confusing sometimes. So I tend not to do those. But there's some really good ways there that you can make some quick cash. This site is free to start. And the best part is you can request a payment at any time as long as your balance is over $1. So you can go and do some stuff right now. And if your balance is over $1, you can request it right now and get paid. So how do you double your money with some of these sites? Now, they all have referral programs or affiliate programs. What you want to do is you want to take that link and share it to as many people in as many places as you can. Obviously without being spammy, but you know, there's lots of groups on Facebook. Share it with family and friends and just start telling everybody and showing everybody how much money you're making. Now, the other tip is to kind of triple or quadruple your earnings. It's kind of a little tip and trick, I guess, is open multiple browsers or multiple tabs and open up each of these sites and do all the work at the same time. So take that 15 minutes that you want to spend a day or half an hour a day, open up all the browsers and have all different tasks going in all different browsers and complete them all at the same time. This is basically going to triple the time that you're putting in. So by being more efficient with your time, you're increasing your dollar output. That's it, my friends. That's the end of the video. And those are the 3 sites that are going to pay you PayPal money on the daily. Now, if you found this video useful, please click the like button below, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. Until next time, stay hungry, and I'll see you in the next video.